Kroger platter that I got today. I'm so excited. Look at this, guys. This beautiful platter. Ba-bam. So I have a, look at that. This is a mac and cheese nachos with cheese, plain cheese. And this is a popcorn chicken. And of course, I have 2 chicken tenders. Look at this. And I'm going to be using my chopsticks. This is going to be a trick if I can finish them up. But look at this, guy. Ah, look at that. Okay, I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. I can just turn them like that. You ready, guys? Let's go eat. We'll start. Gonna be using a chopstick. Oh, look at that. Good girl. Interrupt kitchen. Yum. It's so pretty today. And look at my shorts, guys. I'm wearing the YouTube Interrupt Kitchen USA. This is good. Actually, Kroger's deli is not too bad, actually. And then we'll try. Oh, before that, we got the crushed pepper for our mac and cheese. Mac and cheese with nachos. I never had this. But, oh, sorry. I'm so excited. We'll try. This is the trick. Oh, not too bad. Oh, I like the distinct flavor of nachos. The chips. Ah. Look at that. Well, it's gonna take me 2 years to finish this mac and cheese up here. But this is the challenge. You know what I'm saying? But this is good, guys. This is good. Delicious. If I can pick up. Finish. It's good, though. And actually, this is still hot. It's fresh. And I'm so excited with my chicken tenders. Look at the chicken tenders, guys. I like the chicken popcorn. Put some coffee. I got this natural mac and cheese. Oh, it's pretty good. So fresh. Bear with me with my chopsticks, guys. I can beat. I'm getting full, guys. Let's take a couple bites. Half of this. Wow, so good. Success with my chopsticks. So good. Well, thank you guys for watching and eating with me, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the bell button so you will be updated on every video that I uploaded. And so you don't miss a thing. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. Amazing supporters. And I really do appreciate you guys. And I'm gonna see you on Friday again. Okay, Friday. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm gonna see you later.